Hi, we hope you are truly enjoying the alpha experience. In our last session, we showed how to capture fast-paced action using the 12 frames per second continuous shooting mode. This time, let's learn how the sweep panorama mode helps you in shooting wider compositions. When we travel to the hills or beaches, or while standing on our terrace, we get a really nice view of a wide landscape, cityscape, tall buildings, and so on. Don't we all just want to capture the amazing sight? Unfortunately, it does not fit in a single frame, even with the wide lens. That's when the sweep panorama mode comes into the picture and helps you in clicking the entire view beautifully. In basic terms, the sweep panorama mode takes multiple shots of a scene when you sweep the camera and automatically stitches all these still into one image. This means that you can get beautiful panoramic shots without the hassle of clicking individual shots and stitching them together manually. Taking panoramic pictures is really simple and a lot of fun. In this mode, you can also get creative with your compositions. Let's see how. Just switch on your alpha and change the mode dial to sweep panorama mode. Then press the menu button and you will see the option panorama size. Press the enter button and select the option standard or wide depending upon the width of your composition. Now press the menu button to go to the shooting mode. Once all this is done, press the shutter button halfway down to adjust the focus and then point the camera towards the edge of the scene you want to click. Now press the shutter button completely to start shooting and sweep your alpha in the prompted direction till the end. Here you can see the whole wide view captured on your alpha. Beautiful, isn't it? And while clicking in this mode, make sure to move the camera at an optimum and a constant speed to get the best result without stitching errors. Also, if you are more comfortable to sweep your alpha in a different direction, you can change the direction of the panorama shot to left, up or down. For this, just click the menu button, enter the panorama direction option and choose the desired direction. Let's select up for example. Now press the menu button again to go back to the shooting mode. Again, press the shutter button halfway down to adjust the focus. Point the camera towards the edge of the scene. Press the shutter button completely and sweep your alpha in the prompted direction. Here you can see how your alpha has clicked another beautiful picture. Well, that's it for now. Hope you start using this mode to click beautiful panoramic shots and share them with your friends. We will catch up soon for our next session and learn how to shoot professional quality pictures using the manual options on your alpha. To start with, we will show you how to use the aperture priority mode. Let's learn alpha photography together. Thank you.